Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. June is the perfect time to fill in those gaps in the garden. Feel free to join me while I direct sow some seeds in the garden and fill in those gaps. Are your garden beds filled to the max? I'm looking to maximize every space that I have available here in my small space garden. Join me for daily summer garden vlogs Monday through Friday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. My phone started to overheat, so I went inside for a little bit. I'm back out here for round two. I have a lot of bare spots still in my raised bed. Instead of filling it with a bunch of mulch, mulch is good, and I do use mulch. It's great for moisture retention. I'm gonna plant more. This way I won't have to use as much mulch. I'm just gonna scatter these seeds and let them fill in the way they want to. It actually feels much better out here. I've got some lemon thyme here. I've got some chives I need to harvest. So we'll come out this week and we will grab, smells so good. We will grab these chives. And look at all this space. All of this extra space here. I want to fill all of this in. And there's space back there, not being used. That looks like something, I'm not sure, so I'm gonna leave it. I'm not gonna pull that out. This dill is going to seed. We'll grab the dill when we harvest the chives. Apparently I missed one of the peas. We'll just leave it. We'll see what happens. A little mushroom there. That looks like parsley or something. I'm gonna leave it. It just may come back once the weather cools down in the fall. Look at all of this. So we're gonna get planting. ELOC Nation, how are you guys doing today? How's the summer going? Are you guys planning any vacations? Maybe a staycation? No rhyme or reason. I'm just scattering them sporadically. Where they land is where they land. I can always transplant them in other areas of the garden. I've got the green kale and the purple kale, and So I know somewhere in here I have scarlet kale, and somewhere in here we have lacinato kale. So we're just gonna spread it around with our fingers. We'll see who survives. Still got to do some zucchini. So we're gonna get all of this planted. Dill smells amazing. Underground composting system. Some good soil under there. Okay. Let's do some zucchini here. Okay, we're going to plant several seeds and we'll have extras in case something doesn't make it. In my hand, so I'll go ahead. I'm just going to bury them all. Okay, next in the middle bed here, we're going to do some of the calendula and top-notch golden wax. So we'll pop these in throughout the garden here. Okay, and I will bring you guys back once they germinate and we'll see what they're looking like. Let's plant some here as well. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.